deleting and replacing music files or sheet music from a competition. Also, I'd like to add, if you've made a mistake with the starting position on stage or off stage, you must delete the song, retransfer the song and add the correct information. So let's run through this. To check, you can click on check files, or you can click on check down here. Click on the blue check button, select the competition. Now, the details I'll explain to you. This is the item number on the left hand side. The on represents start on stage, off represents starting off stage, performer's name, and the section details. Now, over on the right hand side, this is the status saying that the music has been checked and it is ready. If you need to re-listen to a song, you can click on the listen button. But at the moment, what we need to do is we need to replace a file. I'm going to explain to you how to replace a file or delete a file. So item number 34, we've used the wrong starting position. So we need to go in and we need to delete this file. The reminder asks you, are you sure this is the file you need to delete? Click OK. You'll see the hourglass while it's deleting. Once it's deleted, it is now gone. If you want to replace just a song, you would click on the replace icon. All the details will stay correct. You cannot make any changes. You're only replacing the song. So let's change the song. What the program is doing now is removing the file that you originally uploaded to the competition, and it is replacing it with the new version. So that is now done. Click finish. You must go back in and check that file just so you know that is the correct file that you've added and everything plays correct. So when we go back to the dashboard, we notice that we're still incomplete 3 out of 4 because we deleted a file and it had the wrong starting position. So what you do is you go back to transfer, as you would normally do, select the competition, select the region, select the performer, add in the correct details. So the starting position now is off stage. It's a music file. Select the file and hit transfer. Once it's finished transferring, you still have to go back in and check to make sure you've done everything correct. So once that's finished, you will click next to continue. I will check and I understand that's correct. There we go. And now the position has been changed to off stage for starting position. Listen to the file, everything's right, then you're good to go. Back to your dashboard and you are completed. When you go back to the dashboard, you'll notice that the status has now changed to green. This means the music is now 100% ready and there is nothing else to do. If you need to go back and make changes, start the process by clicking on check and away you go again.